Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Another mystery box from Storage Legends. So we're gonna see what this is all about right here. So we're gonna see what's inside of this bad boy right here. What was that? Oh, that was my water bottle. Alright, y'all. We finna crack this one open. You know? See what kind of fire we got up in here. You know? And I had to block my address. So taped up real good. Alright, got one side. Let's get this side. Why does this camera look like it's so zoomed in? Alright. Got it open. Got the bad boy open. Let's see what we got up in here. What we got up in here. Start off with this one. This Wizard of Oz. Got the Scarecrow. This thing looks old, don't it though? I wonder what year this is. Let me see. Let's check the date on this bad boy. It don't even say. Unless I'm missing it. Oh, 98. Wow. It's pretty old. Alright, y'all. Let's see what else we got up in here. We got the lion. This is probably old too. Pretty sure it's the same date. This one's older. This one's 91. That's crazy, huh? Hella old. Cool. Alright, let's see what else we got up in here. Oh, I see we missing something. We definitely missing something. Yeah, we definitely missing something. I was supposed to get the witch. What happened to the witch? Storage Legends. What happened to my witch, man? Man, I think I'm missing some cards too in this box. Unless, nah, I didn't get it yet. Let's see, not that from someone else. Is this one? Nope. Nope. Not this one. Nope. Alright, so this box is got the Ninja Turtles. I wonder what year is that? Not sure. Oh yeah. Lucy. Two Lucy's. Alright, that's it for this box. Or should I say, I wonder if I should just cut it off right here for this video. Yeah, this is it. This is it, man. You forgot something. You forgot to send me that witch. And my cards. I wonder if that's going to be in a different box. I'm about to check my my videos. I mean my receipts. See if it's shipped in another box. But yeah, this is it for this video. From Storage Legends. Hopefully that witch will be on his way. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. Peace out.